foot by the bounds. Every time I found the ground, be the best foot grind. I keep my light looked up all around my vibes. They feel my blood is pumping. I keep the front line busting. Going all out all day, how I'm gonna be hustling. Something slow on my playing field.
A photograph is a memory.
I come from next to nothing, but I'ma tell them something.
Diba? Dami rin talaga nagiging fans na rin ng mga teams.
Pull up a plane, I'm gonna reach. I ain't here for playing no games. Fill up a plate, pull up a team. Ain't gonna catch me saying no brace.
Through night and day, strength and pain, I rose again and I broke my chains.
Players natin, sobrang entertaining ng mga matches natin mula pa match number 1 kanina. At ang matindi nun, puro sweep. Pero sobrang gaganda ng mga laro.
Ang nagpapaganda kasi lalo doon yung mga team composition eh. No?
Isa ba yan?
Dahil nga third day, lahat ng teams nakapaglaro, lumalabas na yung mga hindi dapat lumabas. Basta-basta.
And I think that's a good thing. Yung mga
Oo.
hindi dapat lumalabas, like, alam ko yung may mga ganda, pero may mabubuti din na, may masama ding dapat hindi lumalabas.
Oo.
Na at least week 1 lumabas na.
At least nakikita na.
At least kita na. Para
Oo.
masolusyonan na for week 2.
Oo nga kaya nakaka-excite din makita anong adjustments ng mga teams, especially for those na
But my area, many can deny when they see me way on top. Long as I reign, you wanna see I ain't.
Okay lang.
sige, tanggap. Pero for week 2, parang hindi na tanggap kasi
Ano
doon
yan?
na magiging crucial talaga.
No excuses.
Wala na. No excuses na talaga. Ito ang ating schedule for next week. Day 1 natin.